Hi guys, welcome to this week's video, and in this week's video I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Mosotech Lavalier / lapel mic off Amazon. So without further ado, let's get into it and see what they sound like. So guys, this is the Mosotech Lavalier Microphone kit. Lavalier / lapel mic, which some people may call them. Doesn't really matter, they both do the same thing. Suitable for phones, tablets, cameras, notebooks, computers, etc. Yeah, so looks fairly simple. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Packaging is quite nice, to be honest. Nice little leather or pretend leather pouch that it looks like it all comes in. First out is, which looks to be an extension lead, which is a very nice touch on a cheap microphone. That's the microphone itself. And again, that looks very well built, to be honest. Got a little booklet. Something else in here. Oh, an adapter, a little adapter, if you can see that. A little adapter just for different devices, I suppose, which is a really nice touch from Mosotech on that side of things. That's it, that's everything that is in the box. So you've got the box itself, a nice little fake leather pouch that is really handy to just drop in your camera bag or even in your pocket. You've got an extra microphone cover there. You've got an extra adapter, which I don't think I'm going to need. You've got the booklet. You've got the microphone itself, and you've got an extension cable, which again is a really nice touch from a cheap microphone. With these guys, what I usually do is plug these in the back of my PC or to a computer station, like my desk station, where I can't get regular access to behind the back, and plug that directly in, and then you have this up on the desk, which is a very easy thing to do, which is very nice of Mosotech to include that. So the microphone itself seems very well built, to be honest. It's a metal adapter. It's got a hard plastic sleeving on the cable, which is very nice. It's got a nice little cable tidier on already, and a lovely length of cable on this one, to be honest. Yeah, perfect length of cable, and a metal clip, which is always nice to see on a cheap microphone, to be honest. Most of them are plastic and they break very quickly. This one being metal, which is a very good indication. So guys, what I'm going to do now is swap over microphones and see if we can hear the difference. So there we have it guys, I am now on the Mosotech lapel mic, and to be honest, on the back of the camera in playback, it does sound pretty good. This current sound is with no post edit on it, and this sound from now on is with post edit on the sound quality. To be honest, I think this mic is pretty good, and you could just plug it in the back of the camera or your phone and start recording and get a much better sound quality than your phone can produce. So that is the Mosotech Lavalier microphone system of Amazon, costing me only £13 here in the UK. I will place a link below guys, as I do recommend this item. It is very sturdy, the metal clip is very strong, and the general build quality seems pretty good for a cheap microphone. So guys, that is it from me on this unboxing and review. I would recommend this item. Until next time, I will catch you in the next one. Remember guys, stay safe.